How you doing, Richard? How are you? I just noticed I do not have my phone. It's all good now. How are you? Oh man. Do I need that? I don't think so. I don't have my phone. I need my phone, and my phone's in the other room. I need to get my phone. I'll be back in a minute. Okay. There we go. There we go. All right. I'm rolling over something. I don't know what. I've been doing pretty good. How about you? I've asked like 3 times. How are you? Am I muted? No. Am I heard? Yes. Asked you like 4 times. It's like no response. Like. You over here playing the over here playing the Matrix with my question. It's like, how are you doing? Dodge. Like, oh, that sucks. Why are you doing horrible? Terrible, whatever word you want to input here. What's up? I need Minecraft Universal. Ah. Yeah, that's something I can't fix, sadly. It's just something that I have to deal with. Sadly. Yeah, I can't really even fix the freaking delay issue. That's something that my internet has to do with that. So I can't do anything about it. This is as good as it's gonna be, which is kind of the whole bad thing about it. I didn't want to click that. I wanted this. I need to copy this. I need to change the thumbnail. The thumbnail's been the same thing for like every PC stream since my hardcore series. That has been discontinued for unknown reasons. Um, I need to copy the link address. That's what I need to do. Link address. Let's go ahead and reaction. Let's go ahead and remove reactions. Edit message. Ooh, I'll charge your phone, man. When in doubt, charge your phone. That's important. That is always important. I don't know where to go. Uploads? Yeah. It's been a couple days. Literally. I have not streamed this month. Has it really been that long though? 5 days? Has it really been 5 days since I've streamed? Because I had school and when I had school, then went and not. So you basically couldn't charge your phone. I'm trying to understand. I don't know. I'm not the most understand. I try to be the most. I try to be understanding, but I don't understand something. I don't need that. Fire. All right, see you, Richard. Thanks for coming out. Glad to see you back, man. Glad you're doing. Even though you're doing horrible. I can kind of understand why, Zor. Draco, whatever you want to be called. Here we go. All right. I haven't. This is something this is a project I haven't really shown anything about. That's multiplayer. That's not what we. Actually, I'm curious. What is my ping? I'm curious. I'm curious what my ping is. I know it's going to be in like the thousands, or it might not even connect. I'm curious. If it's taking this long, yeah, my ping's probably going to be in the thousands. Yeah, I don't believe this 500 ping. That's a little hard to believe. I actually checked screen. I have a more of wood a little bit. Do I have shaders? I think I do. I might have to turn shaders off. I don't know if I will. Because my goal is not to be in this application. Woo, you're a little laggy. Woo! Very laggy. I take that back. Actually, you're not that bad. Oh man, I bet YouTube compression's having a field day. I bet OPS is just like, back off, man. I bet OPS is just like, kill me. How are you doing, Daily? Then shoot. Forgot how to say your name. It's been a little while. How you doing, man? I might turn off. D'Angelo? I think I'm saying that right. I'm sorry if I'm butchering it. It's been a little while. Shaders. Ah, that's bright. I need to turn it on internal because internal's better than just off, in my opinion. Kitty, get off it. Let me do something for you guys' eyesight. Or my eyesight, but I have a resource pack. Voila! Darkness. Doesn't make this dark, sadly, but it works. Video shaders, eternal. I might delete my other shaders because I don't need them. Game run a little bit better. Bad thing. So this is all I've done. May not look like much, but it's a good amount. And I'm gonna do, my plan is to do all, obviously the trades are the same because I made them that way. I basically copy and pasted their code, just like copy paste, so that way I can have a baseline, so that way I know what I'm doing, kind of. Because if I do not have the actual NBT data in general, I can't do anything. So this is base, this is baseline. It's tools. I'm gonna be working on Toolsmith. I'm not gonna be working on like server stuff because I might actually use a different seed for server side. Because if I'm working on server side though, I'm probably not gonna be streaming it. Could you do Bedrock and Java? There are plugins for that. If I run a server, I will try my best to actually find one that'll run both Bedrock and Java. But how are you doing, Drake? I know a few server hosters that actually do provide that plugin, so I can actually enable it. The one that I use actually allows me to switch between Bedrock and Java, but I can't choose both, which is kind of a bummer. But it makes sense. It's a free server hosting. It's not high end. It only uses 2 gigs of RAM, which is very, very basic. And once you have like maybe 3, 4, 5 people loading different chunks, your game will freaking just, your server will completely crash. So I'll work on it. I mean, obviously it'll take me time because this is going to take me time, obviously. I might actually put the spawn in. I need to see what I want to do because, yeah. Why do I have that? Oh! I was supposed to copy this over to this and change it. Okay, so tools. What should I put in tools? I think I might put axes and weapons. Wait, I'm... no. Oh, this is gonna be bad. Right, like... Also, I like what they... So with Google, they finally did something. It's gonna be like... But with Google, if I look up... what I'm gonna be looking up anywhere is generators. My Chrome is trying to crash. Issue about not having enough RAM. You will crash your Google. You good? Thank you. Generator. So, So I'm gonna do tool. I'll click on that and I'll just type enter. Google actually allowed me to do this. God. Good thing is once I have this loaded, I don't have to load it again. It's not light mode. It's not like blinding me now. It took them a couple years, but they did it. It's dark mode now. I mean, I see gene with an R. Yeah, chromosome. Yeah, that makes sense. Surprised it's not something awful. Hello, how are you? Fake light. I really wish this site had dark mode, but it doesn't. So this is bright. So yeah, currently I have it set to money, or quote unquote money. How are, I mean, I'm doing pretty good, but how are you? So basically, I haven't set up trades yet, but basically, you'll be able to buy stuff using this currency. It's not fine-tuned yet. But you'll be able to gain it by also buying it. Like, you'll be able to sell... I know one of these villagers is farming. You'll be able to give him, like, carrots or something like that, and you'll actually get money for it. And you can actually trade it with others. That's my goal anyway. I'm not, like, settled on a final currency. Holy lag. But I'm not set on that yet. I just have a baseline of what I want. So I got a type of currency. It's already... I can change this to whatever block I want. Like as you said, you can make it out of gold or green dye, sunflower. I can do that. I can just easily change it because NBT. Oh, nice. I don't even know if I'm gonna do Halloween this year. Halloween and like, geez, this room looks like it's already decorating itself. This room looks like it's a Halloween decoration. There's cobwebs like everywhere. Anyways, so tools. So Silk Touch and Fortune. I might have different tiers. So like tier 1 being like, this is vanilla. Like I can't buy it. I need to give myself this. Let me do that. Wait, no. I've already done that. You know, there. See, I've already done that. I've already gave myself a lot of it, so I could just, if I really want to, I can go over here, just like, I want a fortune pickaxe. Boom, I can get it. What's great is since it has NBT data, I can't just do this. It won't work because of NBT. It has 3 tags. So the most you can actually make out of paper is give it a 1 tag. So that's the most you can give it because you can change the name. You cannot, however, give it lore in vanilla, or you can't give it unbreakable, which is another tag. So that's, complicated stuff that probably no one cares about it. I'm probably going to annoy people with that, but it's okay. I think, right? Anyways, why do you show me pickaxe even though I can't buy it? Wait, is it because I have this piece of paper in my hand? Ah, so now you don't show it all. Okay, I'm going to fine-tune you. My goal is to finish 1 villager. Oh no, just 1. Skin a lot of purple meat and a lot of purple mean a lot of purple, only black and purple. So there's a black and purple skin. Nice. What is it based off of, or is it like an imaginary thing? It's like a nightmarish creature. Trying to think of anything that's like real that's black and purple. I don't think anything is. I mean, obviously, fictional world's infinite, but that's cool though. Glad you're having fun though. Halloween in probably close to 6, 7 years. I just haven't. Hey, man, makes me sound so old. Just casual 6, 7 years. It's fine. I know I stopped going, not by choice, but it's okay though. I'm fine. I don't care that much. It's okay with me. Oh, it look okay. So basically, it's like okay, Minecraft Enderman. I didn't even think about the Minecraft Enderman. Oh, well, that'd be kind of like instead of having a like a pumpkin as like a basket or something like that or whatever. Like here, so I had like a I had a bucket, a small bucket. It was a pumpkin. It was a plastic pumpkin. Be kind of cool. Be kind of cool if you had like maybe an end a small little bucket or something like that. I don't know, just thinking about other things. I don't know. It's creative though. More ambitious than creative than I have been, but I'm not really that ambitious or creative. So I want to fix some of these things. So to get this server. So all right. I want to get a baseline of stuff though. I don't even know how many tiers to get or. Oh, I could put a chest. Okay. So I need a chest with extra NBT data. No. So I need. Give me paper. Give me 2 picks. Oop. Oop. And then I can put you down. Yeet. Fun fact: Minecraft Bedrock background. Have a Halloween background. Minecraft bed. Huh. I haven't been on Bedrock in a while. Kind of. Then again, it's not really. They're a little bit more creative. A lot of the people, like, I mean, shoot, this is about as like basic and good as a texture pack as I'm gonna make. Just a black GUI. That's kind of cool though. A lot more creative than I am. I could just take one of these, take both of these actually. Just do this. Goes fortune and then silk touch. Yes. Fortune silk touch. Let's go ahead and go control NBT plus data. And that gives it lore. And gives it, like, if I break this item. Okay. So if I just toss. Boom. Pick that back up. If I just place it all around, notice it just auto generates. Okay, there we go. We have a good chest. We have a good basic item. Make a mini game. I might actually make a mini game on maybe at spawn. I haven't. So currently, what I'm working on is shops. At the current moment, I'll work on mini games and things like that. Probably a little bit later, obviously, but you know, I'll work on it. I mean, suggestions is always good. I like suggestions. I mean, Drake earlier gave me suggestions on currency. So, I mean, that's something. I mean, that's okay with me. Fine. I'm okay with feedback. That's how you make a server. You make feedback. If you don't get feedback, you're just making it off of based off of what you want. Make the server fun and innovative. Make it where people that might join. Let them help. I mean, shit. So I got that. Now I can save quit. Let's do this. NBT data. Let's go. Kit making. Chunk locator. Boop. And open. Okay, so this is the screen. Oh no. I crashed the software. Yeah, I crashed it. I'm gonna have to close it. Okay, that's great. Please tell me you don't take RAM. If you take RAM and my computer can't handle it, then I can't do this. So I know where it is. Players, me, inventory, this. Chunk locator. Let's go this chunk. Open. This. Entities. Tools. Offers. This. This. Oh, that is so nice. I can go back and forth. That's so useful. I'm gonna a mini game like play a game on the server, run and win, parkour, maybe like some type of parkour. If you win it, you could gain money or something like that, which could help. Obviously need to give some type of like what is it? Some type of incentive to do it. So, like, do a parkour, you win. You do a pressure plate, it'll give you an item, and then it'll teleport you back to spawn. Teleport you back. Oh wait, that's kind of difficult because. Wait a minute, I could probably set that up with plugins. It's not. That wouldn't be that bad. Fingers crossed. I don't know a lot of this stuff yet. Copy. I want to copy this. I want to. Actually, no. I want to. How do I want to do this? Copy. Paste. We got a new one. So this is going to be what? What is it? Make a key? I could do that. Oh, that would actually be easier because then you could turn the keys into money. That actually, thank you. That actually makes it way simpler. Instead of actually because you actually can't make. So with Java Edition coding, you can't actually make it like the way I have it. You can make it with lore, but you can't make it with complicated lore. such as how I have the money set with. So if I go lore, so it has a special character to spend at spawn. You cannot actually put that into Minecraft. On Bedrock Edition, you can. On Java, you can't. You have to use an NBT software to actually get that to work. So I could actually use a key, as you say. I could make it with with NBT stuff that you can actually get in vanilla, and basically you just trade it in for money at spawn. I can make a mini game villager. I like that idea. Thank you. I like that. That actually it sounds way more. So it's a lot simpler than how I was gonna go about it. Oh Lord. Happy I didn't do that. So I'm gonna make the top one. So what is this one? Sell. Diamond pick. What are you? Are you fortune or are you? You're silk touch. That's difficult. That's bad. Wait, no, it isn't. It's not that bad. I want to make it a specific way. God damn it. So, copy, paste. It's going to paste it after the fact. I could delete one, and I can edit this one there. Buy. So with this, since one of them is with fortune, that's fortune. So the 5, 8, 11, 12. With this, it would be, since it's 1, it would be less. So make the paper 10. Or maybe make a key that, then you open up a chest and have like a random loot table. See, I've tried to actually get into loot table stuff, but I could not figure that stuff out. My brain said nope. My brain just, it clocked out. I mean, I could in theory figure it out. It's not that it's like difficult, it's just my brain said no. I feel like somebody with, you know, obviously a better understanding could figure it out easy because they had a better understanding. I don't have a good understanding. So, makes sense how I can figure it out. So, I need to make this with what? So, make it with a discount. Instead of it being at like 22, make it like 18 maybe? Like 4 discount? Oh, maybe I could get a discounted villager. Wait a minute. I can get a discounted villager and then put in coding, copy some of his NBT data, and have the 22 crossed out and put a number in that it's gonna be. That could work too. Or it could just have a basic number. Oh man. There's so many things I could do. That's the thing about it. Ah! Okay, so now I need to go here. I need to go copy your data. Open. Sell. How are you? How is this gonna go? Boom. 1, tags 3, tags 2, a slot. I could delete that. Let's go ahead and copy. I could set the NBT data for this. Okay, for one, I want to actually figure out if this works. I don't want to just speed along and all of a sudden figure out, oh, this won't work, you know? I want to do it slowly instead of just like, hey, speed along. So copy that, delete this data, delete this data, paste this data, and there we go, right? Save all. All right, now in theory, Tool Villager should now have a chest entry at the very top. Second. Learning things for me because, you know. All right, yeah, there we go. NBT data. All right. Maybe I could put the lore as vanilla. A fortune vanilla pick or vanilla. Vanilla and bold and then fortune. And then vanilla silk. Or ST, whatever I want to put it. So in theory that should work because it takes my data, it takes this right out of my inventory, so. Or I could make this more expensive. I mean, requiring a diamond pickaxe actually is a smart idea because people still have to mine for it. Can't make diamond pickaxes stackable. Probably could actually, but if I go in my inventory, go ahead and go to this and then this and this and do boom. All right, we got a magical chest filled with goodies. There we go. There we go. I don't need this in my inventory. There we go. It's a little bit of work. Might put the spawn in bold. Can I add in more lore to make more depth? I need one of these fixed. I need to play around with it a little bit. Because if I know I can actually mess with the lore a little bit, I can make this even better. They won't know what to do. Oh man. So I'll just casually buy one of these. So, down pick. In theory, if I go and mess with more lore and give it more lore text, it should actually add another. It should add another display. Right? In theory. But you know, that's a little hard to really say. Okay. So, nope. Depressing. Ha. So it doesn't. So it doesn't have new NBT. So I can't add new lore. I can't add new lore. It's just this is easy. Sorry. Intend English. Let's keep testing though. Hi, that's loud. I'm just testing. So on the server that I play on, /in actually creates a new line of... Actually, no. Yeah, actually, yes. On the server that I play on a lot, /in actually creates a new line of lore. So maybe Minecraft realizes, hey, that's what I want. Highly doubt it, but we'll see. That's the wrong thing. That's not trying to kill. My, you know. Yeah, try to kill PC. No. So, wait. A comma? So a comma will actually separate, I think, maybe. I hope. Oh, that's okay. So it's a comma. That's it. I thought it was way more complicated. No. seriously thought that's all because I'm just like, okay, it's not like that. How is it then? Like, much more difficult, and I really like it. Okay, so let's go display lore comma. So this actually works though. Let's, okay, fine. Let's do it this way. Let's do hello. Let's give it an enchant. Let's give it some lore. It was 6 years ago. Oh. Hmm. That does not work now. Christ. Alright, so I need to have this. Whoop. Okay, Chrome decides to not work. Okay, there we go. Can the video move? Out of all things out of all things you want to load over, you load over the video. You load over the freaking text. Fine. I want to just keep doing that. That's not right. It doesn't work. Help! I need to add more lore, man. Help! Oh, hey, Reddit. I don't even know, man, if this will work. I highly doubt it. I actually kind of doubt this will work. You do, you lose a comma. So you do. Oh wait, why the frick are you like that? So I'm trying to learn it on my own, kind of. Display name lore. All right. This is gonna mess with some coding, but fine. So it's all together? Interesting. I'm just trying to figure this out. Trying to figure it out to where it'll actually work. Like how I want it. So then space like that, then that. Testing. And then that. So it depends on where the little thing goes. There. So, boom. That's how you figure it out. That's useful. Oh. I am taking this line of coding. Actually, I'm going to take the line of coding that I took. Or I made. Alright, so that line of coding needs to go somewhere. Notepad, more notably. You have no idea how useful that is. How useful this command is. Very. I don't want to close it yet. I want to keep it. Oh, yay. So how does it look in the NBT software? How's it going to look like in the NBT? Save, quit. Let's go NBT. Let's go Jabba. Let's go down. Can't make it. Where's this? What? So I was actually on to something. I was very close to being correct. Let's try it on the pickaxe. So with the lore, all I have to do is just copy this, then paste it, and then just edit. Please. Huh? Hmm? Why? I'm lost. I'm very lost. What? How? So I thought I figured it out. Answer. No, the frick I didn't. I thought I did. I didn't. What? What? So it has to be in. Wait, so. It has to be in quotes, right? 21. Oh, that was my problem. I didn't have it in quotes. um. That looks way different. All right, let's try it. No, I didn't need to close it. Frickin'. Fingers crossed. Fingers crossed. How the frick does this work? How does this work? Let's try something different. That's a different tool. NBT. Let's try the old-fashioned NBT editor. This is not as friendly to learn. But if it works, it works. That's all that matters. Really good Lord, why open so many? I mean, I know I clicked it a bunch, but Jesus. Alright, so let's go kit making. Data player. Boom. Can I at least copy this? What the frick did I do? Can I at least copy this and paste? Line 2. Let's just see if this works. And then assess it. Fingers crossed. That works. It doesn't. I have to make it that way. Question. Can I edit existing NBT data? Because it does not look like I can create it, but I can make it. Let's try it this way. Player, inventory, this. Can I edit the data? I want to see if at least it saves. That's saved. Ah. Okay. So I can't. All right. I still want to try it. I still want to try it. Why is it not working? That's the question. I'm trying to figure that out. Because somehow it's not actually... It worked when I went into this old data. Let's see if it actually works this time. So that works. you don't. Oh, I can. Let's see if it works this time. Maybe it's because I'm copying it, and it's copying the same exact data, and it has the same exact, like, same exact coding, maybe. I'm running out of fucking ideas. This worked. I know how to do it now. You can't copy and paste. You have to create it. You have to create it. You cannot copy and paste. So somehow it has the same exact word bytes. In other words, it has the same amount of same coding. It just has different wording, and it's registering. Oh, these are the same words. Duplicate. Delete the duplicate. That is basically what I'm thinking it's doing in the background. So in theory, could I possibly make it even more complicated and make a space in between? Let's try. Now that I've learned that, it's way easier. Let's try it via Universal. I want to see if I could do it via Universal. Because I prefer Universal. I probably can do it via Universal. I see all these text markers. So, Invin. This. No, this. Display. Lore. I cannot. There we go. Got a new text. Dot. I don't need to close it. I just want to see if this works. Did I figure it out? If I figured it out, then this is... Let's try it in the other software. Let's see if we can actually get a dot working, or space. Alright, let's try it in this software again. Let's see if we can get it to work. If I can't, if I can get it to work in this software, then I know that it has to deal with software. Let's go player data. Let's go Invin. First one, tags, display, lore. Now, make a text. No. I can't make spaces. So I cannot do space, just pure spaces. Could I possibly trick this off? Can I possibly trick it? Let's try Minecraft Universal again. So what I'm doing is I'm basically going back and forth, even though it doesn't really matter what I'm saying. I'm basically going back and forth, seeing if I can figure out what is making the game itself not transfer text. I'm gonna see if typing something else will actually change it, such as typing a special character that doesn't register. So I can't copy it, but I can create. So let's go, boom, boom. Let's go. Let's try a special character. Oh, that's not it. Could I possibly create a new text and it work? See, I'm trying to figure out exactly what's going on. It's proven to be a difficult thing. It's proven to be difficult. Let's go ahead and try to make new text. Wait, I need to press enter. Save. Yes. Is there an easy way to do this? Like Control S? Seriously? Save complete. World has been saved. Huh. So maybe that actually, I don't know. Red. Try the window, red. Let's try. Interesting. Interesting. Huh. This is interesting to me. Can I get NBT data to work? This is turning into just an entire, just me messing around with NBT data, trying to get to work. Let's go with world data. Let's actually go with world data. Let's see if this actually changes something. Now, if this works, I think I narrowed it. I think I narrowed the culprit down. It has to deal with software. Red. Figured it out. Question. Say quit. Quit. Go back in. EXE. Kit testing. Old save dat. Can I actually use plain old player data? Can I use plain old player data? Maybe that might be the issue. Maybe I can't use player data. A little bit of red. player dat, players, inven, this, this. Alright, a little bit of red. Yes! Figured it out. It has to do with level data, not player data. Player data is just player. I have to mess around with the level data, because if I do not mess around with the level data, it's not going to update. Can I make spaces? You do not know how happy that makes me. I figured that stuff out on my own. View files, data. It takes more time, but it works. That's the difference. And if that's the difference between it working or not, I'll take the longer route. I don't care. Can I actually use spaces? Let's even try. Try special data. Special data. All right, let's try it. All right. Yes. Oh. So I could have made it. I didn't need coding. I could just use NBT. Yes, I can use this. You do not know how happy this makes me. Oh, makes me makes me happy. So happy. You have no idea. Wait. Problem. Can I edit chunk data? Let's try. Let's try to edit chunk data. Let's see if that actually works. So I'll go to my making. Let's go chunk. Oh, it crashed. Literally knew exactly what happened right when it froze. Is that a coincidence? Probably because I've used the software a lot. I mean, give it a minute. Chunk. This data. Open. This. Entities. Let's go ahead and go offers. Recipes. Let's go bottom. Cell. This. Data. Alright. Let's go ahead and add a new text. Boop boop. Space. Enter. Add another text. Quote quote. And then go 21 1 21 L vanilla 21 R 21 1 boom 4 fortune. Save all. And this is gonna be the thing that's gonna kind of make or break this. Red data. Let's go. Red data. That tells me. Boom. We figured it out. We figured this freaking thing out. Let's go. Makes me so happy. Oh. Figured it out. However, these have the same exact NBT tags. Even though this one only has, it has a change name, which, I don't know. I'm happy. I'm so happy. Oh my god. So I'll need color codes, which is fun. Yeah. What's funny is that it says Vanilla Fortune, but it's a Silk Touch. That's scuffed. I'm beyond happy right now. Honestly, I've been streaming for less than 2 hours, but I'm happy that I figured that out. And I'm honestly thinking about it in extreme, but oh man, I'm so happy. It's a breakthrough for me because I figured it out myself. Now, obviously, I didn't figure out the commands, but I did in the end. I didn't use the commands. I literally used NBT to. So I figured it all out. I think that might be it. I hope you guys enjoyed this stream. I'm happy. I'm very happy. Hope you guys enjoy the stream. I'm out of here. Peace out. Man, I'm happy right now. Yes.